I see some glass elevators in here. So we're in for, I think we're in for something neat. Let's see what we got. Oh, I almost slipped there. Whoa. All right, let's see. Interesting. Oh, they're modernized? Dang. TK. 3 lanterns. Oh, these used to be Westinghouse. Would have been neat to see these original. Excuse me. At least the cabs seem to be original. All right, let's go. And nice, they got the new TK logo. Let's go down to P. Hydro. Here's the indicator. To be honest, I don't think we much care to see the indicator today. We've seen a million of those. So let's look at the view. All right, go ahead and close. Any day now. Take your time. Geez, you only get a view for floors 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, these used to be Westinghouse. Would have been cool to see them as Westinghouse, but I guess not. Slow doors. Interesting. Looks like that's an Adams replacement of the interlock. And let's watch it. Let's see what they look like on the outside. I'll get a good view. The Comar Atrium is what this place is called. But yeah, there you go. There's your elevators, and that's it.